Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, my name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. Did that feel super unenthusiastic? I think it did. It felt like it to me too. Sorry, I'm feeling a little unenthusiastic today. If I'm very honest, I'm having not the tightest hair day, but when has that ever stopped me from sitting down and filming a video? Actually kind of often, but today I'm gonna do it, and today Bows is gonna get in the way per usual. So anyway, today's video is going to be my September birthstone makeup tutorial. The September birthstone is the most beautiful little blue stone that you ever did see, and that beautiful blue stone that you would love so much is a sapphire, which I just forgot the name of. I just had to Google it because that's the kind of day I'm having. If you saw my Virgo makeup tutorial, which is probably the video I put up right before this one, you know I was out with my grandmother yesterday, because today is the day after that, and it's been a long 24 hours, drank a bit, ate a bit, feeling a little but I'm gonna be doing my best here to pull it together and film this video because I am truly out of time, and I put this off to the last minute because why not? Why not live your life that way? You're not a 30-year-old lady that has other responsibilities or anything. So why would you ever choose to make things harder on yourself? That would be ridiculous. So of course that's not what I've done. But yeah, here we are. Anyways, if you're new here, hi, sorry, not usually such a downer, but you know, we all have our days, right? And here is one of mine. But if you like this video idea, or you like anything about it when you're watching it, or you just like me, give it a like if you would like, because I would like to know what you like. And of course, smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. I put out new videos every week, and I'd love for you to come and watch them, obviously. That's why I do them. So go ahead and do that. That would be toit. And now I think it's time we just go ahead and get into this video. It's probably going to be a quick one because I already did my base, because I just wanted to like sit and watch Dexter and chill while I did it. But I waited to do the eyes for you and for Bows. Can I help you? This is just simply not going to do. I got your bed. I brought you a bed. It's right here. Literally have him a bed right next to me so that he doesn't do these things. But yet, here we are. Okay, I think we should stop talking about it and start being about it. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see me do a Sapphire inspired makeup tutorial on me own eyes, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start with, of course, the ColourPop So Jaded palette. I'm gonna take, of course, the shade named literally Sapphire, and I'm gonna start mapping out our shape. Sorry to use this palette for 2 videos in a row, and I'm sorry that I'm probably going to use it in a lot of other videos. I just really like this palette. I haven't done a standalone video on it. I don't know if I'm going to do a standalone video on it. Maybe I could give you like a swatch video or something. Let me know if you'd like to see that. I could do it. I like it a lot. I've been using it every day. I just haven't done a video on it, standalone style. Let me know if you'd like that. So I'm going to take Sapphire on this itty bitty little blendy brush, and I'm going to then work out the shape that I want to do with this eye look after I bring you in a bit. 1 second. Let me move this mirror. All of these loose brushes that I literally have just sitting here because I have no control of my life. And let's pull you in. Let's pull you. Let's pull you. And you're in. Good. Great. Sweet. Hi. Now let's see if I can get my mirror back in here without being in your way. Oh, okay. Hi. Nice to see ya. Have you guys seen that episode of South Park with the motorcyclists? So that's all I think of now. Okay. Let's do it. So I'm going to... I want to keep the blue low. I don't think I want a blown out look. I mean, that's the plan. We'll see what happens, but the plan is for it not to be too blown out. So I'm tapping off the excess because I did my base already, which is probably stupid considering I'm doing these blues, but I'm just going to do the best I can by pressing the color in instead of swiping, which is also going to help with the pigment because, you know, blues and greens, they don't really like to work or be eyeshadow. They just want to be in nature and not be in makeup, but here we are. I haven't used this color yet, so I'm excited. So I'm going to bring that in about that far. I don't think I want to bring it in all the way because that's a little bit dark, and my deep set eyes will probably just make me look freaking ridiculous. So now I'm going to start to blend a little bit back and forth, but just like a little bit, because I'm going to go over the edges. But next, I actually want to take the shade turquoise here, and I want to do that for the rest of the shape, just a lighter blue. We're not going to do a lot of light blue because the Sapphire is a bit of a deeper shade, but just for like this inner corner and then to blend out the edge of that shade, I want this light blue. Feel me? Feel me? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna, just like that. I brought that side up a little higher, but I'm also gonna blend the edges of this shade with this color, so it should be okay. So I just have it like, okay, so I'm taking the brush and I'm putting it sideways against the Sapphire shade. Oh my god, I can't speak. And I'm just scratching it back and forth a la Mitchell and Nikki Tutorials, because their blending with color is amazing. And you know what? This does work. Look at that. The shape's not great. I will fix it, but oh yeah, see? I said I didn't want it blown out, but the makeup gods had other plans for me, I guess. Oh, my coworker Shauna would have loved that I called them the makeup gods. Anyway, there's that so far. Cool. So now let's take a brush that has nothing on it, hopefully, with luck, nothing on it. Can't say for sure because all my brushes have something on it, and I'm gonna hit just above that with no product on my brush just to kind of soften it even a little bit more. Just like that. Now, I'm gonna do the sweet, sweet task of making the other eye match. So just give me a second. Maybe I'll leave the footage in and just speed it up for you, because why not? Perfect. That is a very good match. I feel very good about that. Now, I'm going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to take a mixture of Sapphire from this palette, which I'm dipping in and dusting off. And I'm going to mix a little bit of Fast Lane from the Jeffree Star palette. So it's just like maybe a blackened blue. And I'm going to hit that on the most outerest of all the corners. Mostly just looks like black. I might just have to go over it again with Sapphire, just for the depth that I'm looking for, without it just being straight black. Unless I like how it looks. I kind of like how it looks, but we'll see what happens. Let's just tap it on. Darken up that outer corner, just like that. Gonna match that over here. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of turquoise from this palette and kind of blend over the edges lightly. Yeah, just like that. And I'm also taking a bit of Sapphire and building that up as well to make it more blue. Because the Sapphire is like a deep, bold blue, which I like. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what I want to put on the lid. I don't think I have anything in these two palettes that I want. Let me see. Onyx is too black. Aquamarine is far too light. Nothing in here. Give me a second. Let me look at my other palettes. Ooh, you know what? We're going to take the Kristen Leanne palette and we're going to take TRM right here. I think that will be very pretty. This palette, though I very much like, I feel would work best with some sort of glitter glue, because I have found in the past when wearing this palette that the shimmer shades fall throughout the day. which I do not like, so I don't use it a lot, but I'm going to use it for this look simply because it's going to look good, but I might not wear something like this out, which I wouldn't wear something like this out anyway, just me in general in my life. I'm not secure enough for that, but I'm going to do it for this look. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that on the lid because it's like perfect, actually. This is the perfect shade for this gemstone. Wow, yeah. Yes, 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 yes. And I'm just going to blend it into that outer shade and inner corner, just like that. That's really pretty. It's a really pretty shade. All the shades in here are pretty, but you know, they just don't all stay on the eye that well without a primer, and I'm just lazy and I don't want to use one. I am so covered in shadow right now, it is ridiculous. So I'm now actually going to take LCW and I'm going to put that on the inner portion to brighten it up just a smidge. Just like that. Okay, how am I going to do this properly with this hand? Oh my god. Okay. Putting it towards the inner third. Like that. Okay. Oh my god. And I'm now going to take this little brush and I'm going to take, wait. Now I'm going to take Aquamarine from this palette, which is this one here, and I'm going to hit the inner corner. And bring that sort of in a little onto the lid, which is not like a style I normally do, but you know what? It's a style we're doing today. Blend it with the finger a bit, just like that. Nice. Okay, now let's work on the lower lash line and hope that this white t-shirt isn't ruined any more than it's been ruined in all the time that I have owned it. Okay, with turquoise under the lash line, obviously. We're gonna do that, under the entire lash line. We're gonna bring that up and blend it into this crease, just like that, because we're keeping that rounded shape. We're gonna go in with a black eyeliner. This is Bull Chic. This is actually a lip liner. 1 second. I'm going with a black eyeliner. This is Radial is the brand, I believe, and it's a smoky eye pen. Yep, that's all it says. Smoky eye pen. It's just a black liner. And I'm going to put that in the waterline. I'm trying to do this on camera for you. Let me get my mirror. Sorry, guys. I'm not going to drag this down today for once in my life. I'm going to smoke it out with blue. I've also got a tight line, which I hate. Oh my god. Okay, no. Nope. Never mind. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god, I did it. Okay. Guess I can do it. I just don't like it. That is awful. How do you guys do it? I see some beauty influencers that do that shit like daily. Nope, not me. Okay, Sapphire on a pencil brush. And I'm gonna put that like in the waterline and right below it, and I'm going to blend that liner in with Sapphire. Get it real dark, real smirky. Like that. See, it looks like I'm wearing more eyeliner than I am, but that is just the eyeshadow, because this is a really dark blue. This is good. Good content. Yes, me looking like straight down, and you're just looking at my really ugly MySpace angle. Okay, and now for an inner corner highlight, I'm going to do something that you should not do, so don't do what I do. And I'm going to take this pressed glitter opal, which is not eye safe, and I'm going to put that in the eyes. because I like to live dangerously. Oh, I just like destroyed it. Do you see that? Wait, I just mashed it. Mashing it, snail. Oh my god. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Don't be so aggressive. Don't put these in your eye like I am. Or do. I am not your real dad. A la Robbie D. Christie. Watch too much of her. And I'm hitting the inner corner with that. And you know what? I'm putting a little up here too. Just a smidge. Just a smidge. Oh, that's really close to being in my eye. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now that we have the eyeshadow portion done, I'm going to put on some mascara, throw on a lip, and come back and show you the final look. So give me just a moment. 1 second. Okay guys, this is the completed makeup look inspired by the Sapphire Birthstone, Shemmy Birthstone. But yeah, I went ahead and put on mascara and this lip, and then I did take a little bit more of that non-eye safe glitter and I popped that in the center, because again, live life dangerously, or don't do what I say, but this is how I live my life, and I know I'm going to take it off in 0.2 seconds after I get a nice photo, so I'm not super worried about it. Obviously, I wouldn't wear it out of the house like this, but I don't think I'd wear this much blue out of the house like this anyway, if I'm being honest. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are in September, happy birthday or late birthday or soon to be birthday. My mom's birthday is in September, which is why she's coming over next weekend. I got her a plane ticket for her birthday to visit California, and we're going to film a video together. So this is her birthstone, so happy birthday, Mom, and all of my other September babies. Yeah, that's really all I have to say, guys. I don't have much to say today. Give it a like if you liked it, because I would like to know what you like. Subscribe, because that'd be dope. Every like, comment, subscription, share helps a small channel, so I would love you to do it. And of course, if you want to follow me on my social media, BRATTERSTEIN is for makeup, and for my makeup Instagram and my Twitter, and then Fatterstein is for my weight loss journey, losing 90 pounds. If you want to watch it, do that. And now I'll just go ahead and sign off after giving you the option to watch older videos, and then, you know, my face is where you subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next one, and I guess that's it. So later, guys. Bye.